How do you inspect the latest technology components when lights and cameras are no longer an option?
So, Steve, what motivated you to go out and look for a new AOI machine?
I think certainly with technology as it is, it changes, things tend to get smaller. So it came sort of over recent times, it's become quite apparent that our old AOI system hasn't been able to support us the way we need it to support us. So certainly on small reflective devices, it can either be white or it can be black, which in both cases can actually mean in some circumstances it's not fitted at all. So we recognise that as a major issue, certainly for one of our major customers that use a lot of reflective devices, that we had to do something and start looking at new AOI systems. So it can measure components individually. It's obviously looking for presence and polarity, but it's also looking at dimensions and the actual tilt of devices as well to make sure that it's flowed properly. It's got a pseudo color system for checking solderability. So again, it's telling us in color and in 3D whether there's enough solder on a joint. So it's far more comprehensive in its coverage, and it's a lot quicker as well.
Kevin, tell me a little bit about this new machine.
I think this machine's amazing. It's so easy to use. The programming is very intuitive, and it has a 3D inspection, which makes it so much easier to inspect for any defects. So with an older machine, you'd have to do so much more to teach it, and so many more clicks and buttons. Whereas this is very much like click, click, and you're done. Yeah, it's a joy to use. Yeah.
Ensuring excellence in every assembly we produce.